are the best cooking oils to use?
So the cooking oil with the single, biggest body of scientific literature showing health benefits is olive oil, especially an extra virgin olive oil. So the main fat in olive oil is a monounsaturated fat called oleic acid. It's very well understood how this lowers risk of cardiovascular disease and lowers all-cause mortality, which is a general indicator of health and longevity. But extra virgin olive oil also has vitamin E. It also has really cool polyphenols and really interesting triterpenes, which is a whole other class of phytonutrient that have been shown to have a bunch of health benefits and be responsible for all of the health effects of olive oil. Avocado oil is not as well studied, but has a very similar fat profile. So we would expect avocado oil to be similarly beneficial. And then from there, actually, vegetable oils have a really good track record for lowering risk of cardiovascular disease, especially canola oil. So there's one study that compares head to head olive oil versus canola oil and shows that they actually have similar magnitudes of benefit for lowering cardiovascular disease, but work through slightly different mechanisms, meaning we'd actually be healthiest if we incorporated both into our diets, which I think olive oil has a really good PR team, but canola oil doesn't.